VEVOR has a cutter for fabric, cardboard, whatever the cutter can cut. 2000 milliamp battery. It's rechargeable. Let's show you what this looks like inside the box. You have an instruction guide. You have the charging cable, and you have the unit. The unit comes in a plastic bag. It comes in a number of colors. It has a rubber grip and comes with the spare blade. Check online for further details about your product. The first thing we do is take the cable, plug it in, and charge it up for the first time. We have a charging indicator light in the back, and while charging, the unit will not turn on. It has a safety switch located here that locks the handle into place and releases it. For every use, you have to push in the safety clip and pull. When you let go, it locks into place. Either side will release it. We take a piece of cardboard, we're going to break it down. It cuts just like that. We give you a close-up look at the blade cutting. Protect your hands, it won't cut. To change out the blade, a large flat screwdriver and unscrew. Allow it to slide off and carefully grab. Place in a new blade by putting the slot in. When replacing the blade, you want to make sure the slot falls on these two little areas of interest, the knobs, and tighten up. The 2000 milliamp battery will run for a long time cutting fabric and cardboard for your cutting needs. If you're looking for an automatic battery operated tool with the safety switch to cut with a nice firm grip and a spare blade, check online for further details about your product if this is right for you.